Nose run. Let's see who's on.
Laura! Yalla, yalla!
Perimeter's open, Kate. We're moving in.
Handed on straight to talk to you now, 3-1. Air assets are all yours.
Copy. Good on you, Kate.
You have the con, 3-1. Choose one. Watch out.
Back up! That's one of force. Fire. Enemy helo! Inbound!
Jaguar is back in the AO, ready for targets.
Take the hill! Helicopter inbound! Take it down!
Echo, Jaguar is on station, standing by for your mark. Gunned up.
Good hit! Don't stop! Now! Let's move!
Hello, let's go!
Shots out. Flash out, got the whole group. Weapons loose. Red, we got a group of them.
Hello, let's go!
Got another target, southwest!
I see them! Give me cover!
Weapons loose. New KIA. Gun
I can't see them!
Kill, you got him. 3-1, Jaguar is moving off for reload. Stand by.
On the road! Crossfire! Fire! Target down!
There they are! Hey, move!
They're moving!
Echo, Jaguar is ready for tasking. Mark your target. Missile out. You got two of them.
Almost to the top! Move your ass! Let's make sure he never leaves.
One behind that car!
3-1, you need to run. Jaguar is back in the AO, ready to start.
Give me cover!
Flash out, got the whole group. Target south! Weapons loose. 3-1, Jaguar is peeling off from window. Stand by.
Clear.
Echo team, this is your start line. Find your way to Nikolai for the charges.
Masks on! Tarkov could use the gas.
Let's go to work. They're well armed for a lab. Everyone, fan out!
Soldiers! Hold on!
Let's go! Yes, okay!
They're moving!
I'm reloading! There they are!
They're moving!
In the doorway!
Soldiers!
Fire!
At the railing!
Moving up, second level.
Inside, upstairs! Grenade! In depot! Give me cover!
Я тебя...
Enemy by the desk!
Противник у двери!
I'm reloading! There he is! Let's go! Outside! Grenade! Move! Now! Move!
The detonator will start the chain reaction.
Load the furnace, the rest follows.
Correct. Close it.
Why help us?
Barkov is a stain on my country. It will not stand.
Спасибо, Nikolai.
I'll take the rest to Price and Sergeant Garrick. See you on the other side.
They left cover! Get that shotgun! What is it?
Open fire!
Get Cover fire! Understood!
Got it!
Big boy's down! Clara, we've got a problem.
What is it?
Echo, this is Actual. How copy?
Send traffic, Actual.
Got eyes on General Barkov. I say again, Barkov is moving to the helipad.
Echo is approaching the furnace now, Actual.
Set your charges and move.
The furnace is through here. There's the door.
On it.
Clear! What happened?
Detonator's fucked.
It's dead. I'll go in there.
And do what?
Ignite the furnace.
You'll never get away in time.
I know what I'm doing.
Farah, listen to me.
No, you listen to me. Because of this poison, my people have known something worse than war. I did not come this far to turn back.
I'm not asking you to turn back. I'm asking you to give me the order.
I won't do that.
Commander, please.
I am not your CO.
Then who is? Because someone needs to light this fire and someone needs to kill Barkov. And you can't do both. I've been on assignment my whole life. This is what I believe in. Give me the order.
You are a freedom fighter, Alex.
You're a born leader, Farah. Say the word.
Go.
Yes, ma'am. Good luck.
Bravo, Echo is set at the furnace. Farah's going for the general.
Roger, Echo. Fight into the pipeline now.
Set, Sergeant.
No ROEs now, huh, Captain?
None at all. Stolen away that sniper.
Use the pipes for cover. Rock, I got him. We're exposed. Reloading. Contact!
Cover fire! Yes, okay!
By the loading dock.
Enemy, get ready!
Now, move!
Keep pushing, Kyle. That way. 2 left. Clear them out.
Cover me!
They're moving. 3! Pipes lead this way, let's get this done!
Yes, sir.
Alright, set the charges, let's go!
Pipeline charge is hot! Markov's bugging out. Farah, Nikolai, where are you?
Мне все равно, сколько сейчас времени! С Москвой мне связь! Быстро!
Say again. Barkov is wheeled up.
Скажите им это, генерал Барков!
Farah!
Меня не будут игнорировать!
I've got eyes
Все
on.
равно, сколько сейчас времени! С Москвой мне связь! Быстро! Скажите им это, генерал Барков! Меня не будут игнорировать!
What?
You! I'm still here!
I told you, Farah, a long time ago.
I am not a terrorist. I am Karim.
Farah, what's the status?
Captain, Barkov is dead.
Roger that. Alex, charges set? Affirmative, sir.
Alex,
I'm not getting out of here. Let's do this.
thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All clear, Captain.
Roger. All stations on my mark. 3, 2, 1. Target destroyed. Well done.
Karim! Mother Russia would approve. Where to?
Kazakhstan. Home.
Tea.
Yeah, well, I'm a long way from a proper pint.
Russia disowned Barkov.
Well, they didn't have much choice, did they? He's dead.
You took a big bite out of that problem, John.
For now. But left unchecked.
It won't be. General Shepard pulled the files you asked for. What exactly is this about?
A task force.
We already have loose ends.
Then I will tie them.
I can fund assets, not outlaws.
Enjoy the tea, then.
Sakayev wants Barkov's throne.
I almost buried him in Pripyat with Macmillan.
That was the father. This is the son, Victor.
Lovely family.
They're big fans of Hadir's.
Well, that would explain why he's still alive.
They're gonna get him out.
Then give me what I need.
Who's your crew?
Sergeant Garrick.
Kyle?
They call him Gaz. He never said anything. John McTavish, SAS, sniper, demolitions, goes by SOAP.
Why?
It's classified. There he is. Simon Riley.
There's no picture.
Never. Now the rest. That's neat to know. Unless we got a deal.
What are you calling this task force?
141.